This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello again, my name is Marcus Miller, and welcome to day 21 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today we are going to talk about improving your ad message using your stats. In day 20, we talked about reading your traffic stats. We covered clicks, leads, opt-in rate, email opens, email clicks, and next step action. Today, we are going to use those numbers to improve your ad message, because marketing is not just about creating one ad and hoping it works forever. Marketing is about testing, learning, and improving. Your first ad message does not have to be perfect. It just has to give you a starting point. Once you start getting traffic, your stats begin to show you what is happening. And when you understand what is happening, you can make better decisions. Now, let's keep this simple. Your ad message has one main job. It needs to get the right person interested enough to click. That is it. The ad does not need to explain everything. It does not need to tell the whole story. It does not need to close the whole opportunity. It just needs to create enough interest for the right person to take the next step. So when you look at your stats, one of the first things to check is whether people are clicking. If your ad is being shown, but nobody is clicking, that may mean your message is not getting attention. It may be too vague. It may not speak to a clear problem. It may not offer a clear benefit. It may not feel relevant to the audience, or it may be shown to the wrong audience. But today we are focusing on the message. A weak ad message may say something like, check this out. Great opportunity. Join now. Best system online. Those lines do not say enough. They do not explain who it is for. They do not explain the problem. They do not explain the benefit. A stronger ad message is more specific. For example, sending traffic but not building a list. Learn how to capture leads and follow up with a simple system. Start the 30-day launch sprint today. That message is stronger because it speaks to a problem. It gives a benefit, and it gives the next step. That is the structure we talked about before. Problem, benefit, action. Now, if your ad is getting some clicks, that is a good sign. It means people are noticing the message. But then you need to ask, are those clicks turning into leads? If people click your ad but do not join your list, the problem may be your capture page, but it may also mean your ad message created the wrong expectation. This is where message match matters. If your ad says one thing, but your page says something different, people may leave. For example, if your ad says free traffic training, but the page talks mostly about a business opportunity, the visitor may feel confused. If your ad says, build your list with LeadsLeap, but the page does not clearly talk about list building, the visitor may feel disconnected. Your ad and page should feel like they belong together. The visitor should click and immediately think, yes, this is what I came for. That is message match. Now let's talk about improving your ad message one piece at a time. The first piece is the hook. The hook is the first line. It is what grabs attention. A good hook often speaks to a problem, desire, or question. For example, are you sending traffic without follow-up? Need a simple way to start building your list? New to affiliate marketing and not sure where to begin? Is your traffic disappearing after the first click? Those are hooks. They make the right person pause. The second piece is the benefit. The benefit explains what the person may learn, solve, or improve. For example, learn how to capture leads and follow up automatically. Build a simple system that keeps the conversation going. Start organizing your traffic, list, and follow up in one clear path. The benefit should be honest. Do not exaggerate. Do not promise income. Do not say results are guaranteed. Focus on learning, building, organizing, and improving. The third piece is the action. This tells them what to do next. For example, watch the training here. Start the 30-day launch sprint today. Learn the next step here. Get the training and begin today. Keep it direct. Do not give too many options. One clear action is enough. Now, when you improve your ad, do not change everything at once. That is very important. If you change the hook, the benefit, the call to action, the link, and the traffic source all at the same time, you will not know what helped. Instead, make one small change. For example, keep the same benefit in action, but test a new hook. Original hook. Need a simple follow-up system? New hook. Are your traffic clicks disappearing? Now you can see if the new hook gets more attention. Or you can keep the hook and change the benefit. Original benefit. Learn how to follow up. Improved benefit. Learn how to capture leads and keep the conversation going. That is more specific. Small improvements can make a big difference over time. Now let's look at a few example ad improvements. Weak version, great online business. Join now, improved version, new to online marketing. Learn how to build a simple list and follow-up system using the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Start the training here. Weak version, make money from home. Improved version, looking for a home-based business foundation? Start by learning how to capture leads, follow up, and promote with a simple daily plan. Watch the training here. Weak version, get traffic today. Improved version, before you send more traffic, make sure you have a follow-up path. Learn how to build one step by step. Start day one here. The improved versions are better because they are clearer, more honest, and more focused. They speak to a real marketing problem. They give a real benefit. They guide the reader to the next step. Now let's talk about using your stats to decide what to improve. If you are getting very few clicks, improve the hook. Make the first line stronger. Speak to a clearer problem. Ask a better question. Make the benefit easier to understand. If you are getting clicks but very few leads, check message match. Does the capture page match the ad? Does the page continue the same idea? Does the visitor understand what to do next? If you are getting leads but no email activity, the ad may be fine, but your follow-up may need work. That is why stats help you avoid guessing. You do not want to fix the wrong thing. If the ad is already getting clicks, do not immediately blame the ad. Look at the next part of the path. If the page is getting leads, do not blame the page. Look at the follow-up. Marketing is a path. Stats show you where people are stopping. Now, another important point. Do not write ads for everybody. Write ads for the right person. If your message is too general, it may not connect. Instead of saying anyone can use this, say, if you are new to affiliate marketing and need a simple place to start, this training can help you understand the basics. That speaks to a specific person. The more focused your message is, the easier it is for the right audience to recognize it. Now be careful not to overpromise. Improving an ad does not mean making it louder. It does not mean adding hype. It does not mean saying things that are not true. A stronger ad is not always a more dramatic ad. A stronger ad is often a clearer ad. Clear beats clever. Honest beats hype. Specific beats vague. That is what you want to remember. Now let's connect this to LeadsLeap and TripleTron. If you are using LeadsLeap traffic tools, you can test simple ad messages. You can watch your clicks. You can watch your tracking. You can compare what happens over time. If you are sending traffic into your TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass path, make sure the ad message matches the training. This keeps the experience clean. Someone sees your ad. They click. They land on the page. They understand why they are there. They join the list or take the next step. Then the follow-up continues the conversation. That is the system. Today's action step is simple. Open your traffic stats. Look at the ad message you are using. If you are not getting enough clicks, write 3 new hook options. If you are getting clicks but not leads, compare your ad message to your capture page. Make sure they match. Then choose one small improvement to test. Only one. Update your ad message and continue tracking. That is day 21 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned that your ad message can improve when you listen to your stats. Do not guess blindly. Look at the numbers, find the weak point, make one small improvement, then keep testing. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about improving your capture page, because once people click your ad, the page must help turn that attention into a lead. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 22.